Hi, second grade, it's Mrs. Grandy, and today we're going to be doing Unit 14, Lesson 3, bar graphs. I'm sure some of you have seen what a bar graph looks like. This is an example of a bar graph. What a bar graph does is it takes numbers and you put them into a bar, okay? So that you can easily look across to see how many of each thing there are with the bar. So the numbers are going up here, which shows you how many. On the bottom, going across from left to right, is what we are measuring or what we are taking the numbers of. In this case, we are talking about pets that belong to the students in Miss Smith's class. We're going to use the information from the graph to answer the following questions. So let's take a look at question number 1. How many dogs do students have? In order for us to find out how many dogs they have, we need to find the bar that talks about dogs. So that's the first one. And we're going to go from the bottom, which is 0, up to the top of the bar, which is right here. And the number that corresponds with that is the number 6. There are 6 dogs. How many birds do the students have? So we need to find the word birds at the bottom, which is right here. We need to look at the numbers going up the side. The number is 2. So 2 students have birds. Number 3. How many cats do the students have? So let's find cats. So going up, look at the number that corresponds with. That is 4. How many fish do the students have? Fish is right here. The number on the sides. Go to the top of the bar graph, and that number is 7. Do the students have more fish or more cats? You can easily see that by looking at the bar graph. You can see that the bar for fish is higher than the bar is for cats. So do they have more fish or more cats? There's 7 fish, 4 cats. The answer is fish. Okay? So now we know how to read a bar graph. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is to make a bar graph. And we're going to make a bar graph of flowers, okay? And up at the top here, it shows us how many flowers of each color there are. And at the bottom, it gives us the colors, okay? So I'm going to try to be able to see every single thing on here. Just do like this. There we go. All right, so we can see the colors and the numbers at the top. So let's start with red. How many red flowers are there? How many red flowers? Let's look at the top. It says 5. Let's find the number 5 here. And there are 5. How many purple flowers are there? 7. So 7 is here. How many pink flowers are there? Good. 3. Find the number 3. Here's pink. And how many blue? Let's see here, there are 2 blue flowers. Okay. All right, so you see that. So there's our bar graph. You can always color them in so you can see them a little bit better if you want. You don't have to. The reason why I didn't is so my marker doesn't go through the back. All right, now we're going to answer some questions, even though my marker did go through a little bit. Did Noah see more red flowers or pink flowers? Let's look here. Here's our bar graph. Did he see more red or pink? Again, all you have to do is look at the size of the graph, and you can see that he saw more red flowers. So we would write red on this line. What color did he see the most? What color did he see the most? Which one is the tallest? Right, purple. He saw the most purple flowers. What color did Noah see the least? So if we look at our bar graph, which bar is the smallest? That's right. He saw the least amount of blue flowers. How many more purple flowers than pink flowers did he see? So let's look here. How many purple? 7. So let's write 7 right here. And then pink is 3. So we take 7 minus 3 equals, very good, 4. He saw 4 more purple flowers than he did pink. How many pink and blue flowers did he see in all? We have the word in all, the words in all, which means we need to add. So we need to see how many pink and how many blue. We know there are 3 pink and 2 blue. So we need to add 3 plus 2 equals, very good, 5. Number 6, how many more red flowers did he see than blue? Let's look at our graph again. He saw 5 red, 2 blue. So how many more? That means we have to subtract. We know there are 5 red and 2 blue for a total of 3. The answer is 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. He saw 3 more red flowers than blue. Second grade, that wraps up our lesson on bar graphs. That was Unit 14, Lesson 3, bar graphs. In our next lesson, we're going to be learning about picture graphs. Until then, I will see you soon.